First of all, we're going to start with the feet. The posture starts from your feet. Anything that happens through the rest of your spine, through walking or standing, actually comes from the way your feet are placed. So we're going to talk about tripods first. So Kara, if you'd just like to stand over here on the floor. Whenever you're working with your tripods, never stand on a carpeted area, a thick carpet, or a mat, because they've got a bit of give in them. When you're standing, you need to stand on 3 points of your feet that we call tripods. Point number 1 is the ball of the big toe. Point number 2 is the entire outside edge of the foot. And point number 3 is the center of the heel. So what you need to do here is stand with even pressure on all 3 points. When you're not standing with even pressure, just stand as you normally would without the pressure. And you'll notice to a certain extent that even though Kara's got really good arches here, slightly dropped. So when you stand on the tripods, you'll notice that the arches will increase. If you don't stand on the arches, they will pronate or drop on the arch. So we want to keep those arches pronated without gripping the toes, so the toes are relaxed. The next thing we're going to come to the knees. A lot of people do stand with hyperextended knees, so the knees actually sway back. Whenever you're standing around, always bend the knees very slightly, and you'll immediately notice you're starting to work your legs. So if we turn sideways for a second, okay, let's get the tripods engaged, and just lock your knees back. Okay, and you'll notice there's a sway back there. And you'll notice also that there was also corresponding sway back in the back here, but we'll come to that in a minute. Now, bend the knees very slightly, okay, and you'll find that you're actually going to start working those muscles. So you need to have the tripods engaged and the knees slightly bent.